Now see, if that was a normal normal gutter, I could just take some tin snips and kind of cut that out, but this ledge right here is preventing me from getting in there and cutting that properly. So I'm wondering, how am I going to cut that bigger? What would you do at this same predicament? I've got an answer. Do you? I think it's going to work too. I'm going to drill some holes up in here with the drill bit. I drill hole, drill hole, drill hole, drill hole. Then I can use my drill and just kind of cut in between those. Now, I only have a 12-volt battery operated drill here. I don't know if it's going to go fast enough, but I'm going to try it. And I don't want to drill out too far, but I can see where the mounting screws were for this particular downspout. I want to go on the inside of those. Okay, this is aluminum, so it's going to cut fairly easy. So I'm just going to go over about 1/8 of an inch and drill another hole. I'm going to do another one. Now I can go in between those with this and rock this back and forth. See there? It's going to take me a while, and if I didn't have a different drill, I'd have to keep changing the battery on this, but I've got a different drill with an extension cord on it. And what I could do is also use a smaller drill bit. This one's about 3/16. I could use an 1/8 inch drill bit. I may want to drill my holes just a hair closer together too. You know, all the way around, connect the dots. And we'll have this cut out way larger. We're not going to have that problem with this downspout ever clogging up again. It's funny, whenever I think of throwing this drill away, giving it away, or just keeping it at home, never ceases to amaze me when I might be in need of it. This goes so much quicker. When you're drilling something like this, it's important to use some goggles or some sunglasses, something to protect your eyes, because needless to say, anything over your head could get in your eyes. Okay? I'm going to try to keep these a little bit closer this time. Okay, keep drilling them fairly close together, not too far apart. Okay, and that'll make it easier to cut these on the side with the drill. You're just using the drill as a cutter. Okay, keep her going all the way around. You'll get her little by little. Now look how much bigger that hole is now. That's the standard size hole. That's what was up there before. 1.5 inches. Or, I'm sorry, 1 inch in diameter. You know, they didn't have a bigger drill bit or something. But look what I did in a few minutes with the 3/16 inch drill bit. Now I can screw the attachment back up there and know that that downspout is not going to get clogged up on the top of it to where, see, it doesn't, you don't have to clog the entire downspout or anything, just that hole up there. And then you get a few leaves and then it builds up stronger and stronger leaves, and then some dirt gets on there, and pretty soon your whole gutter gets filled up just because of that, and then it comes streaming and pouring over the side. Try that next time. And by the way, if you ever have an awning cover installed, such as this one, okay, when the installers are out there, ask them what kind of hole, how big of a hole they're going to make for the downspout. And if they say 1 inch, don't buy it. Tell them that's not acceptable. You want something a little bit bigger than that. Preferably the same size or just a hair smaller than whatever size downspout they have. There's another tip for you.